Hey everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are making 20 plus game just few lines of code using Python. So I'm going to use free games library. So you can see here, just go on the Google in your web browser and search free games in Py, or you can say pip. So we are going to use this library. So this is the code library. You can see here some game here, Pac-Man, Canon, Connect game, and also Flappy Bird game, memory game, and Pong game also. And you can also see here some games related to snack, Tron game, life game, and so more game. So in this tutorial we are just writing some command and run this whole code, or you can say some games. So just easy, just click on here to copy this command and update your command prompt. Just click on here and type command. You can see here command prompt, okay, command prompt, and paste it here. Okay, so it will install this library in your local system. Make sure in your system Python should be installed. So it takes some time to install it in your system, but in my case it's already installed. But you can see here requirement already satisfied, free games. So let's go to the website again and follow the instruction here. So you can read this description and also download the files from here. So you can see here, I love free Python games because the games are fun and they are easy to understand and change. I like making my own games now. So this is the person actually making this library. Also so there are some feature. You can see here fun to play, simple Python code, easy to install and designed for education, and 100% task covered, and develop Python 3.7, but I'm going to use Python 3.6, so it also support all the things. You can see a test run on C Python 2.7, 3.4, 3.5, and 3.6. Okay, so you can also run this code in your Raspberry Pi or your Mac OS. Okay, so you can see here quick start Python 3 pip install free games. So we already do it. Okay, so now we need to check our list of the free games. So let's minimize it and type here cmd and type Python. So I am going to not using Python 3, just using Python command. So Python and the free games list. So it will give me the list of the all free games which are available in the free games library. So now we have to type the command. So if I go to the website again, you can see here you can type like this one, help show. So this is the actual command for making playing some games. So Python 3 and free games.snack. I can copy it from here. Okay, just click on Ctrl C. I think it will work on me. Python 3 yep, some problem, Python was not found because I am installing in Python just only the Python execution format. So that's why. So I have to type a Python and free games and the game's name, so dot snack. So now it will work. So it will open a snack game. You can see here it is a simple snack game using you can see here some tick enter graphics. You can see a tick enter. Okay, so if I close this and run another game, so let's say Python, okay, my computer is hanging, Python and free games dot Pac-Man maybe. So let's check it from here, the list. You can see here so many okay, let's try this Pac-Man. So Pac-Man is okay or not? Pac-Man PSEK or Pac-Man, not PSEK, Pac-Man. Okay, so you can see here it is a Pac-Man game, so interesting game. So you can also play some more games using Python. Just you need to install this free game module, so simple to install and so simple to play. Yep, so you can see here already a score. Okay, so you can also try all these games in your system, so you need not to go do any coding. It is already done for someone. So this is the tutorial. Hope you all guys enjoy this video and make sure to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for never miss an update.